You guys can sing Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
This YouTube video is brought to you by Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
This video.
This video.
Traveling with a family of 6 isn't always easy, but it's completely worthwhile. So that tower that's out there, you see that building? That was the first air traffic control tower for this airport, the original one. The big one that's there now is not the next one after that. There was a whole different one, and they tore that one down and built the one that's there now. Oh, another one. Let's see it out there. Our flight from Phoenix to San Francisco was quick and smooth. I was looking forward to getting out of the hot desert and into cooler temperatures, from triple digits into the mid-60s.
Hello.
The Golden Gate Bridge is an essential stop for any trip to the Bay Area. I used my Fujifilm X100VI and the 1970 summer recipe, which was the perfect match for the location. Did you know that Fujifilm makes a full spectrum infrared camera? I'm in Elk, California, which is along the Northern California coast. It is absolutely gorgeous here. The view is amazing, as you can see, and it's such a great place for photography. The reason I'm at the coast today is because my kids are about to start the fall semester of school, and we wanted to get one last summer trip in before they hit the books. I have a lot of cameras to choose from, and I wanted to make sure I brought the Fujifilm X-T4 ES extended spectrum infrared camera with me, because last year I went to San Diego and brought this camera along and was just blown away by how the pictures turned out. The reds were so vibrant, the blues were teal. It just seemed like the perfect combination for coastal photography. I wanted to make sure that I brought this camera and captured a lot of photographs with it. What I find interesting about infrared photography is that it transforms an ordinary scene into something extraordinary. The green vegetation turns red, colors shift, the colors pop. It's a very abstract type of photography. You're seeing light beyond the visible spectrum that your eyes can't normally see, but the camera can. The Fujifilm X-T4 ES is a normal Fujifilm X-T4. It's got the X-Trans4 sensor. It's an older model. It's not the latest. X-T5 is the latest version of this camera. But the X-T4 ES, what's different about it is it has the infrared filter that normally is on the camera removed. It's not there, it's missing. And it's missing so that it can absorb light that is normally blocked from the camera, so you can see the full spectrum of light that the human eyes can't see, but the camera sensor can. The reason I chose the 35mm f2 lens on this camera is, first of all, it doesn't have any infrared hotspots. And the second reason is it's weather sealed. Since the camera's weather sealed and the lens is weather sealed, it's great for taking it to the beach, a place where it might be sandy or it might get wet. You have a little bit more protection. The camera and lens combo is really good. I like the 50mm focal length equivalent that this 35mm is on the APS-C sensor. The recipe I have programmed in is the Aerochrome V2. I have a lot of different recipes for infrared photography. I like the Aerochrome V2 because of how it renders the reds and the blues. It just is something special about it. This recipe does require 3 filters on the lens. I have a 8 yellow 2 filter, a Kalari Aerochrome, and a GXO, that's a yellow green filter as well. So there's 3 filters that are required for this particular recipe. People always tell you that you have to do extensive editing for infrared photos. that you have to do color channel swaps and that kind of thing, and I'm a straight out of camera kind of photographer. I don't like to edit. I try and keep my editing to an absolute minimum. A lot of times I don't edit at all. I wanted to be able to use the infrared camera for infrared photography, but I didn't want to have to go in and do a bunch of edits. So I invented some recipes that allow you to get some striking results straight out of camera, no editing needed.
This video is brought to you by Fuji X Weekly. Fuji X Weekly is an app that you can purchase on the App Store on your iPhone. This app is designed for Fujifilm cameras to mimic film-like simulations on your Fujifilm camera. Thank you for sponsoring this video.
You should be the star of the video.
I don't know, it's improv.
Please like and subscribe.
Ding.
Yeah, like that.
Good.
Please like and subscribe. Okay. Okay, can I do one?
If you're looking for film simulation recipes and information on Fujifilm cameras, visit FujiXweekly.com.